Some essential things to keep in your glove box are extra fuses. Now back in the mid-80s, Volvo switched a lot of their models, and all current models now use this, into blade style fuses. We carry a couple different options on kind of big kits to have a lifetime supply of them essentially for your car. First one we have is our 80-piece kit, and that one's here. Comes with a good assortment, 80 total fuses, has a little puller in it, very handy. Now if you've got multiple cars, or if you drive stuff other than Volvo and you need a little more variety, we also have this, which is the big pack. It's 110 different fuses in it and goes all the way down to 1 amp and up to 40. Now not all of those are going to be applicable to your Volvo model, but if you have anything else that uses blade style fuses, it very well may come in handy there. As much as we'd like to think that you only drive Volvos because that's all we drive, we do know that some of our customers drive other cars as well. So having a big kit like this can come in handy for those of you that aren't only Swedish car drivers. And if you have questions or want to see specific lists of which come in which, check out our website at ipdusa.com.